Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. Once again, it's time for me to unbox a Petit Vour box, and this time it is the October Petit Vour box. So as you guys know, I am an affiliate with Petit Vour. They send me the box every month. Even though I am sent the box, I always give you my honest thoughts and my honest opinions. I tell you when I like something, I tell you when I don't. Also, I do have a discount code if you would like to sign up for a 3-month subscription of the box. You can use the code FIRSTBOX to get 25% off your first box in that 3-month subscription. So it's a great way to try it out if you're curious, and it helps to reduce the price a bit. Petit Vour is a cruelty-free, non-toxic, and vegan subscription box with products ranging from hair care, skincare, body care to makeup, and you get a nice variety of products. You get to try out products that you wouldn't otherwise, and it's at a very affordable price. The subscriptions are around $18 depending on if you do a month-to-month or you do an extended subscription. The cost is a little bit lower. But I'm going to go ahead and dive right into this month's box. And at the end of this video, I will be giving you my update on what I thought about the September box. We do have a makeup product, so I'm going to be applying that today. And this is from the brand Kboss. And I've gotten a couple of Kboss products in previous Petit Vour boxes. They haven't been my favorite. Maybe this one will be my favorite. I'm hopeful that I will like this. This is called their Shine On Stick, and it's a creamy highlighter stick. As you guys know, I love cream highlighters, so I should like it. I have the shade Sparkling Rose, which is definitely a pink color. Here, let's watch it. Whoa, it is. Do you see that? It's like super pink. And I blend it out. I mean, it's still pretty pink. So it is definitely a pink color, but it was really creamy when I applied it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my face, and we can see what we think. So I got it applied and I had to blend it out quite a bit because when you saw when I was applying it, it went on pretty pink. So I'm definitely not the biggest fan of this shade because it's really pink. Like, it is a distinctly pink highlighter. Also, by the time I blended it out, I don't know if you can actually see it, but I don't think it really does much to reflect the light. I don't think it's that strong of a highlighter. Like, I've got it on, but I'm looking and I can't see it really reflecting the light at all. So I think I will try this again as a blush, but as a highlighter, I'm not that big of a fan, especially with this shade. I think possibly if I hadn't had to blend it out as much, you know, and I was able to kind of leave it a little bit more as a strip, that it may have highlighted more, but with having to blend it out, especially because of the shade of it, I think I lost a lot of the highlighting effect as well. It's okay, but not my favorite. Unfortunately, I think this is another Kboss product that's just not my favorite, but I will go ahead and try it as a blush and see if that works better. The value of this highlight is $28, so it's fairly pricey for what it is, to be honest. And you do get quite a bit of product though, because this is a fairly large stick. The next product we got is from Provence Apothecary, and I believe I had their brow serum from a box quite a while ago. But this is their moisturizing oil cleanser makeup remover, and it's got avocado and raspberry in it. So the value of this, even though it's a little sample size, it's only 30 milliliters, but the value of this is $20. Provence Apothecary products tend to be pretty expensive, so that's not that surprising. I have gone ahead and used this a couple times. I find that it does remove my makeup really well. It is an oil cleanser, so what you do is you put it on your face, massage it around, it breaks up your makeup, and then you use a damp washcloth to remove it. How I judge oil makeup cleansers is by how well they actually remove my makeup, how easy it is to get them back off of my face. And this one did a really great job of breaking everything down. I didn't have to scrub very hard. It did a great job of that. And then when I went ahead and used a damp washcloth, I was able to get the oil cleanser off my face easily. Sometimes oil cleansers are just too heavy and I find that it's really hard to actually get it back off your face. This one came off no problem. It doesn't dissolve in water, so you do have to use a damp washcloth. You can't just wet your face and then wash it. This isn't that type of oil cleanser, but as one that you do remove with a wipe, it was very easy. So I do like it and I'm excited to use it some more because it works very well. The next product is this one from Carre. I believe that's how you say it, Carre skincare. And this is their Balance Toning Mist. And I love the packaging of this. Like, I just think this is so pretty, and red's my favorite color. It's a face mist, and it's supposed to have a rose orange blossom scent, which is interesting because I didn't like the scent of this. I liked the product, but I wasn't a big fan of the scent. To me, the scent seemed very kind of woody, earthy. I did not get floral from this at all. So I've used it a couple times. It does feel nice and hydrating on the face. It's not at all drying. The mist is actually quite nice. Here, I'll mist it here so you can see it, but it's got a really nice fine mist, which I appreciate. That just makes the experience of misting your face a lot more enjoyable. And if you want to do it when you have makeup on, like I do right now, having a fine mist means you won't get water droplets all over your face. So I definitely will continue using this. I'm just not in love with the scent of it. Having a scent that you like is part of the whole experience of enjoying using a face mist, so this one is just kind of meh for me. The value of this facial mist is $12. And then the final product we got in this month's box is from the brand Luxe Botanics. And this is a teeny tiny little sample of their Brightening Moisturizer. This is supposed to have Camu in it, which I've not heard of before. But I guess it's some sort of Amazonian fruit, and the Camu is supposed to help with dark spots, environmental damage, and reveal a glowing complexion. And the sample size is valued at $10. It's only 7 milliliters, so it's really tiny. I have tried this out and I actually really do like this. It's interesting as a cream because this is a creamy moisturizer and you just need a little bit, but it goes a long way. It's hard to describe, but it's very moisturizing, but lightweight at the same time, which is exactly what I'm looking for because I have oily skin and I do moisturize my face because even if you have oily skin, it's still good to do that because if your skin starts getting dry, it can lead to your skin producing more oil to compensate, which is not good. So I do use moisturizers, but I like my moisturizers to be really lightweight. I don't want to feel like they're sitting on my skin or feel heavy or oily or greasy or anything like this. And this one I will really enjoy using, especially as we're transitioning from fall into winter, because it was very moisturizing on my skin. Felt so nice after putting it on, but it didn't feel heavy, like it just absorbed in really lovely. So I'm actually really enjoying this and looking forward to using this some more. So the overall value of the box this month is $70. I have to say, honestly, this is one of my least favorite boxes we've had in a while. I think the products are nice, but they're just not my favorite products. I had high hopes for the highlighter, but kind of considering it was so pink and not actually that highlighting. The facial mist and the makeup remover are really nice and I will continue using them. And I actually do really like the cream, but overall, it's an okay box for me. Now for my review of the September box. As I said, have not used the Lauren B Beauty Nail Growth Serum. The reason being, as I mentioned in my September Petit Vour unboxing video, I would like to give this to my mom. She has brittle nails that don't grow that well, so she would get a lot more use out of this product than I do. My nails grow really fast and are really strong, so I'm very fortunate in that regard. And as you can see, I basically almost always have my nails painted, so not that much of a help for me. I have not given this to my mom yet because I have not seen her. I'll see her over Thanksgiving. I'm not sure if I'll see her before Thanksgiving, so when Thanksgiving rolls around, I'll definitely bring this with me to give to her. But I can't give you my thoughts on it because I haven't tried it. The next product we have is the Jane Iredale Lip Balm. This is the lip drink in the shade Crush, and it's this really nice kind of purpley pinky color. I really like this. I like the color of it. It's definitely a lip balm I'm going to keep around with me this winter. It has SPF in it, which is really nice. It's a really nice product. It's not something I'm going to wear in place of a lipstick, but if I want to wear a lip balm, this is definitely one that I will reach for. I really like this. And to let you guys know, I have gone ahead and picked up a number of Jane Iredale makeup products, and I'm currently testing them out. So I will have a video on that coming soon. If you'd like to see me do a brand overview of Jane Iredale, be sure to subscribe to this channel because it will be coming. It is in progress. The next product we got was from the Seaweed Bath Company, and this is their Firming Detox Cream. And it's basically a body lotion, and I really have been liking this. I like the scent of it. This is the rosemary mint scent, and it's done a really great job. I use it on my legs. My legs feel really nice and moisturized. I like this. I would definitely purchase a full size of it in the future. Yeah, it's good. I have nothing bad to say about it. It absorbs in really easily, which, as I always say, is one of my complaints about body lotion. So having one that just absorbs in, I don't have to rub, don't have to work at it. That's great. And it just leaves my skin feeling really nice, which that's why you use body cream. So it's a good one, and it's at a good affordable price, which is nice as well. My favorite product from the September box is the Moon Rivers Naturals Peppermint Lava Salt Hand and Body Soap. I've used a ton of this. I've used almost all of it up, and this was in my September monthly favorites because I love it. I love the scent of it. Oh my gosh. Every time I smell it, I'm just like, that scent is so good. The mint is just incredible. I definitely will be purchasing a full size of this. It works really well. It suds up well. It gets me really clean. I smell nice. My husband loves the scent. It's just all around really great. Definitely one of my favorite products I've discovered from Petit Vour recently. And I'm really glad that I got to try this out because otherwise I probably would not have tried a product from Moon Rivers Naturals just because hadn't come across my radar up until this point, and I'm really glad that it has because it's a new favorite of mine. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my unboxing of the October Petit Vour box and hearing my thoughts not only on the October box but also on the September box. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my Instagram. My handle's at naturallybeautifulgirl. And let me know, did you get the October box? What are your thoughts about it? Are you excited for it? Let us know in the comment section down below. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!